Hello my people, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first day when you see this my beautiful face, don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell. Those of you who don't subscribe to my YouTube channel, I love all of them, not too much. So today we want to talk about sex. Sex now waiting we know the fit they talk. We Africa with the shame to talk about her. And Africa people born pikin pass. You go see person when don't born 12 children, 5, 6. 3 they don't know what it they cause enjoyment of sex na wetin good when be say every woman need to enjoy, even man need to enjoy. That make me Rita come say me I shook mouth put today. You as a man when you wan sleep with your wife, not just come like this fall for your wife body say oh yeah you just carry your banana face your wife. No, your wife no go feel am. She not go feel you. If you want me your woman feel you, no e body this thing language e code. No if where e feel it dey. If you feel it dey breast, if it dey private part, if na wetin if you dey touch am for down, she go dey feel am. No, if na kissing, you go kiss your wife, then e go quick come for your orgasm, do am. Make sure say only your appearance alone your wife go just wet or your girlfriend go wet. Then if the woman don wet, to use the your rod, to use your banana, e dey very simple. But if maybe your wife, example now, you just come like this fall for a body e never wet, e dey very difficult. So some people get big banana, they no dey fit dey use am well. Some people get small banana wey small well, their wife no dey enjoy am. Today na me Rita say oya me I come shook mouth put for this matter. If you know say you get small banana, you want make your wife dey use am, my brother first go down, use this thing wey dem dey call mat, take enter your wife, clean a washing machine well. No do am with force. Some men na when they do am with force, e go dey pain the woman. E no mean say maybe you go down, e go make the woman still feel you. If you go down, you no do am well, the woman no still feel you, go dey pain am. So if you wan go down, do am small. Do am small, be romantic. Free yourself to your wife. No be all women dey like kissing na. If you get woman wey no like kissing, you go still put your mouth for her ear. Just dey do am guinea, do am like this. Hey love, play with am. You dey see am so, the woman go see chance open up or washing machine for you. You as a woman, if you want me you enjoy your husband, you when dey complain, you when dey complain, you when dey complain, you want enjoy your husband. If your husband no sabi do am, you be woman, show your husband for bed say you be woman. Change position, change your husband position. Do am, give am doggy style, give am pussycat style, stand make you do am. Put your husband something for mouth, cassava, put am for mouth. When the man your husband just naked like this, say oh honey you are the best man, I love you, honey, baby. Your eyeball, change your eyeball now, sister. You want enjoy sex, you no want do anything to help your man so that make you enjoy am. No, if you want to really enjoy sex, just be romantic too. How to be romantic? Carry your husband kiss a mouth, kiss your husband ear, carry a banana put for your mouth. Now your own, nobody dey drag am for you. Then oh yeah, you open am for am well. Not be only this our mama style na good o. That one mama odi dey style, that one don pass. Give your husband the latest style, put your 2 leg for up. Oh yeah, make dey do am. How you dey do am? Show sign say you dey enjoy am. E dey make man dey get more energy, more power. When your husband dey do am, you say oh baby I love you, sweetheart, show am sign. E go wan do more, power go dey enter im body. So change position. If you dey bed, change position, fuck your husband. suck a banana as a woman, suck your wife in washing machine as a man, kiss your wife. Iye, put your mouth for here. Iye. You as a woman to put your mouth for your husband here. So that is it. Be romantic. Tell her for bed, say you love him. Say you cherish him. Make yanga for your husband. You make yanga for your wife too. Show your wife say you be expert. So if you know sabi sex, now you sabi. If you sabi sex too, you know sabi shame position. Now you see sabi. Sabi says share position, enjoy your husband, may see him for your eyes say you dey enjoy am. And brother, you want get some more dick. If you want, you get some more cassava. If you want sleep with your wife, you know if you sleep with her like normal man. You know now, like other men. No, put pillow for under bed. He waste. Put pillow for your wife waist. They support your dick. So that the womb go up small. So that make your wife for the feel am. Then you go give her power. They say, honey, I love you. You dey see am so. The woman, oh baby, if you get some more something, some more cassava, no just bring her come direct. The woman no enjoy am. Romance and suck is something where washing machine, kiss am. If na hand, use am take do am. Use the body dey play. So that make your wife no run leave you. So that is it. Make sure say you are romantic. You are there for your wife. You are there for your husband. So that is it. Make your husband feel you. Make your wife feel you. So this my video. I been no want make long too much. Wetin dey make man dey love woman? Na respect. Man dey like woman when they respect them. Woman when they give them sex. When fit sex. When fit dey share position. Woman when dey there for them. Woman when no dey nag. Woman when they carry their responsibility too. Independent woman. When they carry your own responsibility. No be say you wan buy hair, you come into man. I wan do my hair. You ask rent. No one you wan fit participate for bills for us. The man don't love you. Men they like woman when they give them freedom. Woman when they respect them. Woman when go dey there for them. Woman when they independent, not depend on the man. Man they love am well. Even though man they flirt up and down, he born full outside. You see that woman when be say he dey independent, he know they has the man money. He know how to put things in order. Woman when get destiny. Woman when get future. Men like am well. Man like am well. So wetin woman dey like, me I tell una for this video. Woman dey like man when they care for them. Man when they care for them. Man when they love them. Man when go still respect them. Man when they buy their gift. Man when they tell them say I love you. Man when they send them text message. Woman they like am well. Woman no dey like man when they disrespectful. Woman no dey like man when they waka up and down. When no get time. Women like time. If you get woman, you know they get time for now. Another man go follow you, they sleep with your wife. I don't feel talking. Some men don't they for one place, they go different place, they carry different women. Their wife are suffering. Now make many women get boyfriend outside. Not be only men they shit nowadays. Because many men don't make women get a brain problem. Many men are too absent for their wife. They are not present. They are not respectful. They are not responsible. They are arrogant. They are flatter, womanizer. See, brother, make I tell you, even though you the girlfriend outside, not make your wife know. If your wife know, tell your wife say na lie, not be your girlfriend. I beg. So that make peace for your life, your marriage, everything. So that is it. You when they complain say that woman no good, you good. Check yourself before you complain any woman say woman no good. You as a man you good. Before you complain any man say no good, you as a woman you good. So that is it. So relationship is very sweet. If you understand, a man in relationship, you will enjoy. If you understand a woman in relationship, you will enjoy. Some men go waka waka, give woman belle, different women belle. They'll come back to their wife, they beg. You know why? The wife get many quality when no woman gets. Some men they flirt, they don't know why they flirt. They are natural flirter. They know they flirt because saying that their wife they no get character. So that is it. Some men they flirt because say their wife no get respect for us, they don't get peace of mind to us. Some men they flirt because they find opportunity for our side. So God bless all of you. Now I read my video for you. My name is Rita Arieta. Please support me on my Facebook page. Love you guys. Good night. Bye bye. Ciao. I'll see you soon.